Hi, my dear student. Now, today we are discussing about the advent of Europeans to India. Why Europeans country, their country, many countries, their advent or arrival to India. There is a some situation because you already know the all Europeans there arrived to India the trading purpose. The trade and commerce relationship between India and Europe is ancient. The ancient relationship also continue into Middle Ages. There is no any changes. The ancient also we see the relationship between India and Europe, and the same relations will be continue into Middle Ages. Now see the great demanded of our Indian spices like pepper, cadmium, ginger, and many other spices are very demanded in Europe country. The Arab and Italian merchant buying from the Constantinople and they sell to Asian and Europe countries. Now see the merchants of Italy, they are distributing the Indian spices in Europe continent, and the Arab people, they are distributing the Indian spices in Arab country in the remaining Asian countries also. That's where the Constantinople is the gate of European trade, because all the Indian spices will be stored in Constantinople, and Constantinople is distributing Europe and many Asian countries from Constantinople. But here one incident will be happening in 1453. What happened? The Ottoman Turks, they are captured the Constantinople in 1453, and they are controlling the Constantinople, and they are leaving more taxes on goods pass through. That's why the European continent, two country, example Spain and Portuguese, they are encouraging sailing to search a sea route to India. The another one motivation of these sea sailors, the scientific invention. In that time, the scientific invention, they are discovered compass, astrolabe, and gunpowder and map, and provided further boost to sailing, because these things will be motivating the sailors to search the new sea route. The new sea route to India discovered by Vasco da Gama. He left Lisbon and reached Capudu near Calicut on the east coast of India in 1498, and he was the new sea route founder of India. The new sea route will be funded from Vasco da Gama. That's why the re-established already the broken of relation India and Europe by the Ottoman Turks captured, but the second one the re-established from the sea route from Portuguese. After the Portuguese, the many European trade companies, they are arrived to India. Let's see the four important countries they are arrived to India. The first one is Portuguese, second one is Dutch, and third one is British. Let's see one by one. The Portuguese, the first arrived to India and last lived to India by sea route. The Francisco de Almeida, after the Vasco da Gama, Francisco de Almeida was the first viceroy of Portuguese, and he introduced and implemented blue water policy. Now see what is blue water policy? Supremacy over the sea instead of supremacy over lands. This is the blue water policy. After the Almeida, the Alfonso de Albuquerque was the real founder. He arrived to India. He captured Goa from Sultan of Bijapur in 1510, and he made it Goa is the administrative center in India of Portuguese. And the Portuguese power will be declined because of the arrival of another European countries like English and French. They are not competent with them. That's why the Portuguese will be declining. The next trading European company is that is Dutch. Dutch, they are belongs to Holland or Netherlands. They established East India Company in 1602 Christian era. The trading centers of Dutch, Surat, Bronch, Bombay, Cochin, Nagapattinam, Machilipatnam and Chinsur. But the Dutch also unable to face competition from English and French. They left India and they limited themselves to spice-rich islands. The another European country, they are dominated and they are controlled the many Indian places, that is British. Let's see. The Queen Elizabeth, she was the Queen of England. She issued royal charter to East India Company to trade 15 years. It was issued on December 31st, 1600 CE, and this is the establishment of East India Company in 1600 in England. The Mughal Empire, that time the Mughal Empire, Jahangir, he issued the royal permission to English to establish a factory at Surat, and Surat is the first trading center of British in India. After that, Sir Thomas Roe, the Sir Thomas Roe arrived in Jahangir's court. He sent by James I in 1617, and he got permission to establish factory at Agra, Ahmedabad, Broch. Now see the British have 4 trading center: Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad and Bronch. After that, the Madras. Now see the important presidency of the British, that is Madras. How the Madras will be make important place? The Madras from they are taken Chandragiri kings and established their St. George port in Madras. Next, the another one England king Charles II. Charles II, Prince of England, gave Bombay to East India Company in 1668 for an annual rent of 10 pounds. The Bombay also become under the control of East India Company. The Port William. What is Port William? The English purchased 3 villages, that is Sutanoti, Kalikata and Govindapuram, and the 3 villages they are converted and built at Fort William Port and given the name Calcutta. The new city will be built from Calcutta, and there they built Fort William. And after that, now see, the British have the 3 important presidency in 17th century, that is Madras, Bombay and Calcutta. And this is the British, they have captured the many places and opened the trading centers. After that, the French East India Company established in 1664 the important trading center of French, that is Machilipatnam, Chandranagara, Mahe, Karakai, Kasim Bazar and Balsur. This is the important trading centers of French. The French, they are taken Valikandapuram from local Muslim officials, and they developed one city and trade, and they are given the name Puducherry, and another name is Pondicherry. The important and very very important, the Viceroy or governor of French, that is Dupleix. The Dupleix, he was the famous and dominated governor general of French. He had the high ambition of establishing French as the major power in South India, and this led Karnataka wars in India. Thank you.